In this video we will talk about using meditation to help you to reduce stress. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Do you feel that you are constantly under stress? Are you looking into ways of how you can reduce your stress levels? If you have answered yes to both of these questions, you are not alone. The world is seemingly becoming faster, more demanding and more pressurized. In this article I write about how meditation can help you to relax and become a happier person. Stress affects people in different ways. I personally feel very tired and lethargic during these periods and start to worry about things, like a future event. This can easily lead me into a period of depression, which in the past I have found it very difficult to come out of. Other people suffer from panic attacks, become very shaky and nervous, feel sick in the stomach, become sad, and can begin to think in a very negative way. Most of the conditions I have described above are actually a mental and not so much of a physical problem. This is why I believe meditation to be an excellent form of stress relief or stress management. Meditation helps us to control our emotions, to think in a more relaxed and positive way, and certainly helps us to think more clearly. Positive effects of meditation: it reduces your heart rate, it relaxes your breathing and can even make it slower. It can lower blood pressure. It can increase your self-esteem by making you think in a more positive way. Helps you to think in a more logical and clear way. Helps you to reduce stress. Types of meditation: walking meditation, mandala meditation, yoga meditation, sitting meditation, prayer meditation, visualization meditation. I personally prefer the sitting meditation. I try to make time around 3 or 4 times a day when I will sit down to meditate. Originally I had a lack of belief about what I was doing and about if it would work. I found it difficult at this stage to get myself into the zone. With practice and realizing that I needed this to work for me, I managed to get enough concentration and focus to see the full benefits. A lot of the people in my circle of friends think that I am a bit mad. They cannot believe that I actually just sit there and think. Meditation has had such a positive effect on my life and continues to do so, therefore my friends can mock as much as they like. I actually believe that some of them should try it themselves. But they always laugh at the suggestion. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.